Want to grow your business with videos? Did you know that 72% of people like to learn about products by watching videos? And these videos can help businesses get 20% more customers. We know it's not always easy to find the right video agency partner. You might consider freelancers. They're budget-friendly, but they often use outdated techniques. Big production companies? Sure, they make great videos, but their prices can be sky-high. And templated videos? They all look the same, making it tough for your brand to stand out. That's why Videoters is here. We create custom 2D explainer videos that are made just for your brand and grab people's attention without breaking the bank. Just sit back and relax. We'll handle everything for you. Imagine a video that brings your brand to life. Ready to get started? Let's talk about how Videoters can help your business grow.